So we played with audio controls. Now we're going to create a web page that will have video controls to play our movie. So I'm going to do an 11.4 folder, go into that starters folder, and this time I want the Lighthouse MV4. I want the Lighthouse OBG, SWF, and the Lighthouse JPEG file. So I've got all of those in my folder. I can see right here, if I go to properties, it will tell me right here that the file type is an OGV. So if you're just seeing VLC player, you can go here and it'll actually tell you what the file type is. So let's go get that template page again. Edit it in Notepad. Got it over here. Okay, so a couple things we're going to need to do. Modify the title. It's going to say Lighthouse Cruise. Configure an H1 element that's going to have Lighthouse Cruise. Going to configure a video control using our video element with our M4V and our OGV files. And that's going to display the Lighthouse video. So we want it to also have the flash content as our fallback content. Configure our JPEG file as basically the image that will display in the browser if it doesn't support a video element. So we're going to come down here and we're going to go OK. So it's a lot of stuff we got going on right now. So video controls equals controls poster equals lighthouse.jpg. Just like our audio, video has an end. And then we're going to go source src equals lighthouse.m4v, type equals video/mp4, source src equals lighthouse.ogv, type equals video/ogg, and then our embed tag for our SWF file, just like we did before. Shockwave flash src equals lighthouse.swf, width equals 320, height equals 240, title equals Door County Lighthouse Cruise, close that out. Okay, so we've got that. Now if I save this as video, let's just look at what we have right now. So if I go launch in Chrome, so here's what I have on my screen right now. But make note that our SWF file has a width and height, but our video files up here, we're not specifying width and height attributes. But we can configure flexible images. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here in the head and we're going to create a style. And it's going to be video width 100%, height auto, max width 320 pixels. Save that, run it again. We can come in here, hit play. We can adjust the volume, any controls that we want to. And that's using our video control.